At the tax faculty, we are passionate about learning. We ensure that learning is integrated with practical skills. So unlike traditional universities, which only focus on the academic components, we focus on the experiential learning and integrate practical skills. Secondly, we focus on you, the student. So we adapt the learning according to your specific needs, which we diagnose via a number of diagnostics. We also encourage student engagement through a number of online learning activities. Thirdly, we encourage peer-to-peer learning. So as adult learners, you all come through with a vast amount of experience. And what better to learn through each other via peer learning. Fourthly, we focus on relevant future skills, which, as you know, is things like critical thinking as well as problem solving. And lastly, we focus on bite-sized and flexible learning. So the learning is given to you via a number of block weeks. And in that block week, you'd get given a guide or a template in order to follow through a number of learning activities. However, it is up to you and when you do those learning activities during the week. I'm going to use an example of income to explain this to you. So if we look at our virtual campus, which is called iLearnTax, the block week called income will be loaded onto that. Income is then divided into a number of bite-sized chunks, which is divided into a number of topics as well as units or subtopics. Each of those units or subtopics has a study guide. In that study guide, we also refer to a number of prescribed reading material as well as court cases which you need to work through. For each of those topics, there's also a knowledge video as well as self-assessment quizzes to ensure that you've grasped the concepts. You'll also have access to our lecturers as well as our subject matter experts in order to ask them questions via the Q&A portal. These videos and the study guides are broken up, as we said, into short 20-minute videos in order to give you the flexibility to work through the content. Once you've completed the content, we focus on practical support by integrating practical case studies as well as simulation activities, which would be, for example, actually completing an ITR 14 for a company. Once you actually complete that ITR 14, you submit it and a memo is released with guided learning videos. We then wrap it up via a discussion forum where we encourage the peer-to-peer learning. So the discussion forum is also there for you to research, to integrate and to challenge one another. So expand your network online with the tax faculty as you learn alongside a cohort of like-minded individuals and gain essential skills for the future of work.